Wax buildup on unfinished wood can seriously mess with how your surfaces look, making them dull and kind of gross to the touch. So, if you're dealing with this annoying wax buildup, here's the lowdown on fixing it up. Start by wiping down the surface with a soft cloth to get rid of any loose dust or dirt. Then, grab some mineral spirits or a gentle wax remover that you want something that won't damage the wood, you know? Apply it with a clean cloth, rubbing gently but firmly to break down the wax layers. After that, let the wood air out for a bit so it doesn't stay sticky or smell funky. If the wax is super stubborn, you might need to repeat this a couple of times, but just take it slow so you don't hurt the wood. Once you're done, use a mild soap and water mix to clean off any leftover residue. Dry everything completely with a clean towel. And finally, if you want to keep the wood looking fresh, avoid putting wax on unfinished wood in the future. It's meant to be natural and breathable. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wax buildup on unfinished wood is using harsh chemicals like acetone or paint thinner, which can ruin the wood's texture and color. Stick to mineral spirits instead. Another problem is not testing any cleaner on a small hidden spot first, which can lead to unexpected damage. Always check a tiny patch before going all in. Lastly, people often rush the process and don't let the wood dry fully between steps, causing sticky or patchy spots. Patience is key. Let each layer dry completely before moving on. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really get these kinds of jobs done right. Contractors also benefit since it's a great place to find steady work from folks who actually need their skills.